Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I am at Walmart's for our weekend haul. Now, my weekend bonus, you guys, is a little on the weaker side. It's exactly like my midweek was. 15 rebates for $4. It's not the greatest bonus. If I can make it work where it's still going to be a great deal, I'll try to swing that because I do want to be able to tackle the tail of 2023 bonus as well. For that, I need 48 rebates for $10. We're just going to be doing whatever deals are great, whatever deals are money makers. I did mention to you guys that my goal for 2023 is to spend less out of pocket at the register. I love getting money back in rebates. I really do, y'all. But I really want to try to focus on saving more money at the register. So if there is a situation where I'm doing a deal and the coupon is a better deal than the rebate, we'll go for the coupon. Or what I'll do is I'll mix a little bit of both so that at least as far as Ibotta, it'll count towards my bonus. For example, like let's say I'm doing a deal and the limit is 3, and let's say this particular offer does exclude the coupon. What I'm going to do is use a coupon on 2 of the items and claim Ibotta for the 3rd one, so that way it'll count towards a bonus, and at the same time I'm still saving more money at the register, which is kind of what my goal is. Like I love seeing the balance going high. I love it. But I also love when my freaking balance at the register is going low. You know what I mean? I want to lower out of pocket. I do have my Revlon coupons clipped, so I'm going to see if I can get a little bit of overage to help pay for other things. First, if this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second and smash the subscribe button. Also, make sure that you hit the like button, support your girl, and then don't forget to ring the little notification bell so you never miss out on a deal. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get these deals. All right, so this first deal is on the Mountain Lightning soda. It's priced at 96 cents. This is the cheapest soda that I could find. So you're gonna grab one at 96 cents. You'll get back 10 cents on Ibotta, making this only 86 cents. This deal is on the Jumits. It's a nectar juice. These are the cheapest juice that I could find. They're priced at 68 cents. You're gonna grab one of them. Get back 10 cents on Ibotta, making this only 58 cents. All right, this next deal is on the core keto bars. These are priced at $2.18. So I'm gonna grab one of them. I'll be getting back 50% on Ibotta, which is $1. Well, it's not actually $1, but you know. Get back $1 on Ibotta plus a 10 cents any nutritional bar, which also works for. And then I'm also gonna submit this receipt for the Aisles app. For the free offer, it is a limit of 1 unless someone uses your link. Then you get a free one. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that $2.18 back, making this a $1.10 moneymaker. This next deal is on the sparkling water. The cheapest ones I could find are 70 cents. You know what? They have some here for 62 cents. So if you want to grab one of these, you'll be getting back 10 cents on Ibotta, making this only 52 cents. I think I'm still gonna go ahead and grab this one instead, since it's a lot bigger. It's probably twice as much as well. So this next deal is on the Airwick warmers. They are priced at $1.98 for the single. We're going to use this coupon right here from our inserts, making this absolutely free. So this next deal is on the Airwick infusers. They're priced at $10.97. I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of them. I'll be using 2 of these $5.50 coupons right here from our inserts. I'll end up paying $10.94 out of pocket and getting back $12 on Ibotta, making this a $1.06 moneymaker. So this next deal is on the Mr. Clean disinfective surface cleaner. It's priced at $3.24. For this, I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of these. You'll end up paying a total of $6.48 out of pocket, but you're going to get back $3.25 on Ibotta, making them only $1.61 each. Now, what I'm going to probably do is grab 4 of them, use a little bit of overage, use 1 of the BOGO coupons, and then submit for the other 2 on Ibotta. And so, yeah. This next deal is on the Finish dishwasher cleaner. It's priced at $3.94. We're going to grab 1 of them. I'll be getting back $1.50 on Shopmium. And then I'll also be getting back $1.25 on Ibotta, making this only $1.19. Now, you can also submit it on coupons.com. I've already done that one. And it's also on Alexa as well. Okay, this is another option as well on the Finish Powerball Quantum, priced at $4.12. For this, we're going to grab 1 and use that $2 coupon right here from our inserts. That's going to bring our total down to paying $2.12 out of pocket. and then getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, making this only 62 cents. So this next deal is on the Polydent brushes. They're priced at $3.74. This deal I got from Miss Empty Nester here on YouTube. So we're gonna grab one of them. We'll be getting back $1.50 on Ibotta. We'll also be getting back $2 on coupons.com. Our shop meme, or you can submit it on Alexa if you like as well. Making this only 24 cents. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this deal again because this is the floss picks that we use. They're priced at $3.96. We're gonna grab one, get back $2 on Ibotta, making this only $1.96. The next thing I'm gonna be grabbing is gonna be the Old Spice body wash. It's priced at $1.56. We're gonna grab one and submit for 640 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.56, making this $8 moneymaker. This next deal is going to be on the Ucotex, of course. It's priced at $2.97 for both the 50 count as well as the 40 count. We're going to grab two of them. We'll be paying $5.94 out of pocket, but getting back $1 for each on Ibotta, plus $3 on Shopmium, making them only 47 cents each. So this next deal is on the Revlon. I'm hoping to get a little bit of overage to help pay for some other things. And so we're going to grab the eyeshadow. It's the 505 Decadent, which is this one here. Okay, the online price for that is $161. And for that, we're going to be using this $3 coupon right here from our inserts. I want to say it was in the Save 101, which is going to basically give us $1.39 of overage. Now they also have the Moonlit one right here, which is, what is that, $5.55? And that one is $1.89. Again, using the same $3 coupon right here, you're going to get $1.11 over. So I'm going to try to see if I can get a few of each to help pay our total down. So this next deal I'm going to be grabbing again is on the Vital Fusion, the multivites. They're priced at $5.98. So I'm going to grab two of these. I will be paying $11.96 out of pocket, but getting back $2.50 for each on Ibotta. I'm also going to get back $6 on inbox dollars, and then $2 on Shopmium, making this $1.04 moneymaker. Okay, so I am at Dollar Tree, or Dollar Quarter Tree. I found the Energizer batteries. They only had two though. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab two of these. Now I do have a rebate on coupons.com that's matching for this. I actually have three. So originally I was gonna go ahead and just grab three because you can never have enough batteries, right? Especially when you have like a 7-year-old. And so, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just grab the two that they have, making them only like 25 cents each, which is an awesome deal. If I can find any more, I'm definitely gonna grab them up. Now I believe that this rebate is also on Shopmium as well. So if I find more, I'll grab two more and submit here. But I think on here there might just be one. Let's check and see. Yeah, there's one here for 50 cents. And then there's also one on, I want to say Alexa as well. I believe it's for $1. So if I can find more of the batteries, then I'm gonna definitely get more. Yeah, there's one here. Oh, it's for 50 cents. So yeah, not as great a deal on Shopmium and Alexa, but definitely an awesome deal on coupons.com. So just gonna go ahead and just grab these two for now. Yeah, also checked the Lysol right here. It also works on coupons.com for 50 cents. So I guess it would make it like 75 cents. On that. Really quick, you guys, I want to announce the winner of my loose change guessing contest for 2022. All right, I went ahead and took everything to Coinstar just because my bank wanted me to roll, and I'm not trying to roll nothing because your girl ain't got time for that. But maybe this year, when I do my loose change this year, I may go ahead and just take the time and roll it. I'm thinking of using one of these Pure Life bottles this time for my loose change for 2023. And so, two of you guys came super duper close. Like, one of you guys was like 15, 20 cents away. Like, you were that freaking close. All right. So what I'm going to do is the winner. I'm going to do a $25 gift card. It could be CVS if you like. It could be Walmart if you like, since this is a Walmart video, but I announced the contest in a CVS video. But if you want me to Cash App you, I could do that too. So this is the first winner. You were the closest. All right. It was Rosa Gonzalez. Okay, Rosa, and I'll insert a screenshot. Rosa Gonzalez guessed $220, and I had $219.76. So you were the closest. $25 gift card, e-card, Cash App, whichever, just hit me up. And then the next winner, which was the second, our runner-up closest, was $219. Was your guess. You are going to get a $10 gift card, e-card, Cash App, whichever you prefer. And that was Jen Lopez. All right, Jen Lopez. So you ladies, hit me up and I'm going to get that to you ASAP. So back. All right, guys, here's my itty weedy teeny weedy polka dot peaky peedy haul for this weekend. Please excuse this, you guys. I totally flipping dropped it in the kitchen and had to super glue the top back on. And Dada's had to mop the whole entire floor downstairs because your girl ain't trying to waste that much cleaner. So I was like, okay, then I guess we're gonna mop the floor again. And I just mopped it yesterday. So that's what happened right there. So what I did with the Mr. Clean is I bought 4. The limit on that on Ibotta was a limit of 2, buy one, get one free. So I used one of the BOGO coupons and got back $3.25 for the other set on Ibotta. Plus I knew I was going to have some overage from the Revlon. And so I figured, hey, why not? What else? As far as coupons, the BOGO coupons on the Airwick, the free ones, that one's been working perfectly fine. This one here, however, for the $5.50, this one had to be approved, okay? Just a heads up on that. Other than that, everything else for this haul worked out pretty good. Again, I did use a $5 gift card from Cashwalk. Hopefully I can get one every 2 weeks. That'd be awesome. All right. And so anyway, so listen, everything worked out pretty good for this haul. As far as Shopkick and the Old Spice, it did go through this time. The last time it didn't. And I had to put a ticket in, but this time it went straight through, which is really cool in that. I did get another, 40? I think it was like 40 or 50 kicks off the Vital Fusion. That one dropped. And so I didn't count that one anyways, but the points back are the kicks for that is only 50, which is like 20 cents. Other than that, you guys, that's basically it. So everything you see here retails $100.50. I had $48.10 in coupons. And of course, again, we had the $5 gift card from Cashwalk, which brought our out of pocket down to $47.40. And then we got back, tax is $7.75. What I'm going to start doing is doing my tax right. Usually I just round it all up to $8.75. Although some stores is $7.75 and some stores is $8.75. So I'm going to take the time and do the math for it. So the tax for this is $7.75. Now what we got back was $29.99 from Ibotta. Aisles was $4.36 for the core bars. Shop Medium was $10. Coupons.com was $2. That was for the Energizer batteries. Shopkick was $2.56 and Inbox Dollars was $6. So I got back a total of $55.02. Makes everything you see here free plus a $7.62 moneymaker. And again, even after tax, it nets everything at 13 cents for everything here, which I think is still an awesome deal. Other than that, I will leave it there and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.